Ready to uncover the secret to jaw-dropping profits? Buckle up, because today we're revealing an insanely accurate trading strategy that's been our hidden weapon. Just check out these successful trade signals on Bitcoin. It's truly unbelievable. Hi, my name is Michael, and in this video, we'll introduce our game-changing combination of TradingView indicators that can skyrocket your account with winning trades. But make sure to watch the whole tutorial until the end, because I'll also show you how to fully transform it to a free automated bot with alerts. So don't waste another minute, and let's gear up to make some serious money. All right, how do we build this indicator setup? First, head over to TradingView and open the chart of any high volume market. For this example, we'll select Bitcoin on the 3-minute chart. Stay tuned, as we'll also show you how this strategy works on longer time frames. Next, open the Indicators tab and search for Limited Fisher Transform. Select the one created by Fitero. This technical trading indicator helps identify potential price reversals and the strength of a trend by transforming price data into a Gaussian probability distribution. This makes it easier to spot turning points in overbought or oversold conditions. The Limited Fisher Transform oscillates around the zero line, with extreme values indicating overbought or oversold conditions. Positive values suggest a bullish trend, while negative values indicate a bearish trend. Crosses in these areas produce buy and sell signals, and as we can see, they're very accurate. However, using this indicator alone would be a mistake. It might work well in a range market, but as soon as the security starts trending, the signal accuracy decreases. To eliminate these fake signals, we need a second indicator, the Super Trend MTF Heiken Ashi by Lonesome Blue. Before using it, change its setting. Open the inputs, set the ATR factor to 2.5, and uncheck Super Trend in the style section. This tool acts as dynamic support and resistance, often serving as reversal points for price movements and providing valuable entry and exit signals for traders. This strategy leverages the Super Trend indicator's ability to act as dynamic support and resistance. When the price approaches the Super Trend line, it often reverses, offering a high probability trading opportunity. Here's how to implement the pullback to the Super Trend trading strategy 1. Determine the overall market trend using the Super Trend indicator. When the price is above the Super Trend line, the market is in an uptrend. Below it, the market is in a downtrend. 2. In an uptrend, wait for the price to pull back toward the Super Trend line. In a downtrend, wait for a rally toward the Super Trend line. 3. The proximity to the Super Trend line increases the likelihood of a reversal, making it an ideal entry point. 4. Confirm the reversal using additional technical indicators or price action analysis. We'll use the Limited Fisher Transform. 5. Once the reversal is confirmed and a buy signal is issued, enter the trade in the direction of the trend. Buy when the price bounces off the Super Trend line in an uptrend. Sell when the price reverses from the Super Trend line in a downtrend. Set stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk. Place a stop loss order slightly beyond the Super Trend line, allowing for price fluctuation while protecting your capital. Set a take profit level based on your preferred risk-reward ratio, or use a trailing stop to lock in profits as the trend continues. Traders, we hope you love this trading strategy. If you do, please leave a like and share it with your friends. Hit that subscribe button and smash the like to support us. Now, let's look at more examples to ensure you fully understand the secret method, but before that, elevate your trading game to new heights. Look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a Funded Next account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Funded Next, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets Funded Next apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With Funded Next, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With Funded Next, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get. Don't be with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day, and if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. All right, back to business. In this example, the market is in a downtrend confirmed by the Super Trend. A retest of the line occurs without the price exceeding it, which is exactly what we want. Finally, the oscillator issues a sell signal, and we open a position at the close of the price bar. The stop loss is set above the super trend line, targeting twice the risk. Let's also see how this strategy works on longer time frames. Here we're looking at the 1 hour chart. You may notice the oscillator shows only the last 5 or 6 signals, but this doesn't matter. By observing the crosses in overbought and oversold areas, we can still spot entries. As we can see, the strategy finds perfect entries across all time frames in high liquidity markets. And remember, discipline is crucial when trading with any strategy. It helps you navigate unpredictable and often volatile market conditions, ensuring you consistently apply your strategy for long-term success. Consistency helps you avoid emotional pitfalls like fear and greed, which can lead to hasty decisions and poor risk management. By following your strategy and trading rules, you minimize emotional interference and focus on making objective, data-driven decisions. Discipline also plays a significant role in risk management, helping you stick to predetermined stop-loss levels, position sizing, and risk-reward ratios. Welcome aboard our crypto arc, where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. As we have no intentions to make this video too long, here are the recommended videos which we previously published, and you can watch them and learn how to make any trading strategy into a fully automated free bot with alerts plus more. We hope this strategy will bring you big profits. Thanks for watching and see you soon.